Well, today we have on Janee McDowell. She is the Director of Marketing for Breastlink. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
And she was just explaining to me that she, of course, Laguna Hills, we have Breastlink here, the one in Orange, and also Temecula.
That's correct.
You kind of oversee all of them, right?
Yes, I do.
Well, one of the things that I know that Breastlink likes to do, and we've talked about it with some of the other guests before, is you like to educate people. You like to have some lectures and events. How do you put these together, and what is the goal of some of these?
Yeah, we do quite a bit of educational seminars throughout our Breastlink locations. Some things we are currently in the planning process of are referring physician dinners, which we have one of our Breastlink surgeons or a plastic surgeon and a medical oncologist create an educational talk to referring doctors, nurse practitioners, or physician assistants. We also do patient forums in which we invite the community to come and learn about some new topics that our physicians are discussing, such as genetic testing or updates from conferences they attend.
So as far as the patient ones, or the more or less the ones that are not specific for the medical field and other doctors, can anyone attend if they hear about it, or do they have had to have been a patient?
Absolutely, anyone can attend. They don't have to be a patient. If they're interested in learning more about the topic, the more the merrier. That people can go to breastlink.com to check for upcoming events.
Okay, and I know you also do, as far as educational lectures like that, sometimes you just have different kinds of events, like an open house or whatever it might be. Not long ago, although this was mainly for your patients, but you have the nice cruise as well.
Yes, we do. We are actually planning an open house sometime this year.
Okay.
We're in the planning processes of that. So when we have more information, we will definitely give the information. But breastlink.com will have all of our upcoming events.
All right. You also, you meaning yourself, but also Breastlink in general, really get involved with the community here, right? And what are some of the other things that you do within the community?
We participate in quite a few health fairs, and such as Susan G. Komen, Race for the Cure, which a lot of people are very familiar with. We have quite a presence with a few foundations in the area, such as Susan G. Komen, American Cancer Society, and other smaller foundations as well. So we are all over the place, always trying to get exposure for Breastlink, our physicians, and awareness to women throughout Orange County.
Very good. Now, the different locations, of course, the one right over here, are they, do they have different events, or do you all kind of merge them together? So if somebody can't get to one, if you have like an open house in Orange, we also have one here that people can go to.
We do a lot of site-specific events, but we also, when we participate in large events like American Cancer Society events or Komen events,
they're kind of setting up their location.
We usually combine our centers. For our Temecula location, we usually do our Inland Empire events separate. But for Orange County, we combine our centers. So we have a nice flow of all of our services, procedures, our physicians, and we present that to the community at our Health Fair Expo booths.
So you're busy all the time, it sounds like.
Just a little bit, just a little.
If a woman has not been to Breastlink before, how can she go ahead and get breast imaging done? Does she need to get a referral? Can she just walk in there and say, hey, I've heard about you, and all your services here? Can they do that? What's the way that one can go about it? Well,
for the most part, if the woman is requiring imaging, if she needs her annual mammogram, she should require a referral from her referring physician. However, if she is symptomatic, she can call and make an appointment with a breast surgeon or RPA and have an examination as well as imaging if necessary, in which our physician can refer.
Okay, great. And of course, we know one of the huge advantages of Breastlink that if someone is diagnosed, you do everything, for lack of a better term, in-house there. They don't have to go out and find the surgeon over here, your doctor over here, and anything else that's needed. you even have people that can just sit down and talk with someone, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. We have everything from radiology all the way through breast surgery, medical oncology, and reconstructive surgery. And we also have therapists on site as well. We have support groups. You're able to, if you're symptomatic, we're able to get you in within a few days. So we do everything in-house.
Very good. And I want to mention that their phone number is 949-770-0797. You can go to their website, just look up Breastlink, and obviously you want to do site specific, so find the one in Laguna Hills. But if you call a different number, no problem. Just say, hey, I live here in Laguna Woods, and they'll refer you to the location nearest to you. And you'll have all those events online and let us know when your open house is, right?
Absolutely.
All right, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you for having me.
Again, Breastlink is located right nearby over here in Laguna Hills, right over by the mall over there. And as you can see, you know, they can really help you out. If you have to go to your physician, get a referral just for your breast imaging, mention Breastlink, and they can hook you up there. 770-0797, and great services. And yeah, I know you have good events, so
yeah.
It's good to have you.
Thank
here today.
you.
All right, we'll be right back.